Salibona. Lenjani. Sikhona okhuluma ngoke Kabelo GP. Mutwana wa Senabi. Akekho okay mara akele blame. Ho sa kwazi Senabi. Akere ke akwazi ukuthi lebona lapha emafaratlhatleng kwa bhale wa bhala. Senabi weza. Senabi akuna coach nabi. Senabi la ibuza urukima. Alright, ekizo lichazela lona ba le lona ba. Hele funa ukwazi ukuthi Senabi kibang. Hamba lo buza bantu baba balekile ngona la coach ara balekile nseleba uzwale kamala Senabi. Le hamba mafaratlhatleng. Kifuna ukubonga management wa Kaizer Chiefs, chairman, team manager, kuri waiting, marketing manager, kuri zonke, kuri okay, protocol observed. Kifuna ukuqala kapha phezulu enhloko ya amakhosi kufika la egoza amanyango egate. Kifuna ukubonga bana. Kuri bona mbuso baka. Happiness ya glowisa. Batho ba se kwatela la, batho ba sa se khulumisa ba se block. And abase blockele kuthini? Ba se blockela ka di pre-season results. Ba azwa kuthi bathi Senabi le bafana bakhe lapha bashaya bo 7, bashaya bo 6. Bana asikhona uyifihla. Into kuri le lona la bona ukuthi standard sa mo PSL sizodlala ka asina choice mara standard sama khosi manje asesa PSL baftu ke qala sevumeni wa bona rona manje abasefakeni e-league ye-1 le bo Raja Casablanca bo Al Ahly. I think that's where we can be competitive. I think so. Mara mo PSL coach ara baleka bana, coach ara baleka mo PSL omungena ba monikile position Durban somewhere lapha team yengwe Durban azwa ukuthi manka ya eDurban I'm gonna be exposed. Usenabi uzohlangana leni. The result leza uma 6-2 uma 7 uzonikeza zona bazongikuba. Abaleka ya Morocco orakoka obala abalekisa kuthi ubalekisise ku and about offer thing was very good. Ubalekise kuthi bathe Senabi wethu. Hey man, Senabi sakucela coach Mawuzala. Please, Mr. Nabi, when you come to South Africa, here we don't score more than 4 because coaches will be fired. We understand you are the best in the world. Senabi, when you come here, please just tell your boys. And when I heard your story and I don't like it. This thing of you scoring 4 goals is unacceptable. 1 is enough. You're gonna make other coaches be fired, please. Marcos, as a Tangane Sunday, ne, you friendly man. It's a Toyota Cup, ne. But it's a friendly, it's just to waiting, just to stretch. Ne? Let's go and support the boys. Make sure you buy your ticket for Sunday game. Ne? Bloemfontein, Toyota Cup, Sadala Lapa, ne? As I believe. And then go to figure early. And then Kikela Lizeng, Lisadla because of Mount Lille, happiness achieves is over 70 so like guys, I don't need Brook Lux. I don't need happiness is too much gonna Chirena. And I want to thank management for bringing Senabi le gange yakhe. Yeah, no, happiness is too much, guys. Basically, please, coaches, bear with us. It's not us. It's if Senabi, don't be angry at us. Tinabi are just support us. But we'll speak to the boys. We will speak to them to be disciplined. This thing of scoring 7, 6 goals. It's not allowed. It's not allowed. Boys, please. 2-1, 4 maximum. This thing of humiliating teams and score 6. No, please don't do it. You know PSL, they fire people. Makosi, Asatangane Lapa Sunday, so Jabula. So we know but young guy will get about 4-5. It's fine. But it's just a friendly. Don't take it personal. Yeah, thank you. Marcos, Savongane, as a Tangane Lafa, Bloemfontein, happiness, Javulisa, man. It's a lower Lafa, this is also a Puma, Ziso, and again, this is a Masa Hamba. Marcos, as a Tangane Lafa, Tango Savonga.